Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. This is US vlog day 21 and we have come to Hoover Dam and it is a 1 hour drive from Las Vegas. So we have come here, it's really sunny. Now the time is 11:30. Applied a sunscreen, came here to see how it is. There you go, the timing too. Then Hoover Dam written right there. There are some exhibits there, so let's go in and see after maybe just taking a round of this. So let's go. Before we were over the after part of the dam, and then this is the before part of the dam. You can see this kind of a bridge type thing over there right over my fingertip. So and then you can see the water level over here is more than the water level over there, as I showed you earlier.
The water was before till the white part, you see, I guess.
Yeah.
And then now
it came down.
I guess, I'm not sure.
It was there. And then my sister is telling that
the mountains are tanned, because of the sunlight. Wow.
Let's actually go to the exhibits area, and yes, you get a Hoover Dam map if you want. For these exhibits we have to get a ticket. I think we have to get the tickets from the visitor center, and as you're not very much interested, we're not going to go in. So I think we'll head back to the parking lot, which takes $10 for full day parking. We'll head back to our parking and maybe go back and see something else. So let's get some clips of that thing.
The Hoover Dam construction crew's mascot was found as a puppy by workers at the construction camp. This dog traveled to and from the dam site with them and spent his days visiting the many work areas. On the 21st of February 1941, the life of this devoted animal came to an end when a truck under which he was sleeping rolled over him. The grave below was completed by workers later that same day.
This is US vlog day 22 and today we have come. My sister screaming from day 22. So and I just showed you the view, kind of, and I just showed you the full view now. So yeah, we have come to this lake. The name of the lake is Sand Hollow State Park, and it's not a lake. I mean, it is a lake, but then there's no lake in the name. And actually there's an entrance fee for this. If you walk in, then it's $5 per person, and if you come by a private car carrying maximum of 8 people, then it's $15. So yeah, and it is mainly open from sunrise to sunset. So yep, that covers everything over here. another quick stop nearby. So again, the power plant we showed you. Again, you can see it right here, zooming in for you guys. And the name of the power plant is Navajo Generation Station, and the people are there in that nearby city of Page. And there's coal found over here, so they produce electricity by burning coal and boiling water, which runs the turbines and produces electricity. And then there's a dam right here too. So, and then this dam's name is Glen Canyon Dam, and again it produces electricity as the other dams do. And this is the Colorado River and the bay. So guys, now I have come to this, another quick stop. Yes, this is another quick stop, and this is the dam which I showed you guys. From there are some dinosaur tracks here, like you can read about them. Read about it over here. Dinosaur tracks, and you can see some dinosaur tracks, like one right there, this one right here, one right here, here. So yeah, dinosaur tracks, pretty cool. About, like, I don't know, 170 million years ago. So the name of this place is Carr Hayden Visitor Center, written right there. And the dam place, not the dam place, the dam place. So US flag and some rocks. And actually I think it closes at 6 o'clock, so that's why it's closed now. So we'll go to the page now. So guys, we have come to our hotel finally, the roadway in. And yeah, there's many things: hot breakfast and laundry and swimming pool and microwave and fridge
and coffee maker in the room.
Yeah, in the room. And
not swimming pool and all in the room, but fridge, microwave and coffee maker in the room. Then free Wi-Fi also.
Of course, free Wi-Fi, swimming pool, and
different stuff.
And there's Subway right there. And then there's Safeway. So it's a pretty good way.
And then over here there is a Chinese restaurant if you want to eat some noodles or something. And then just in 2 minutes or 5 minutes walk you can reach a Mexican restaurant for eating Mexican food. So there's everything around roadway in. And there's a petrol pump right there.
Yeah, and the price currently is 2.959, so around $3 per gallon.
So there's everything around roadway in,
and it's a pretty good place. Let's actually go in, and I actually won't be showing you inside because
we're ending this vlog right here.
Yeah, we're ending our vlog right here. So be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you liked it. I messed it up. I messed it up. You said ending this time.
Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe down to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. And enjoy the US vlog till now. If you have not seen previous videos, watch it out right now.
Yeah, do it right now. Today is or tomorrow.
That time when you were near the falls, that you were like, hey, it's my day, not now. You're like, you don't do it, and now you're like, okay, fine, whatever. So let's
see you guys tomorrow. Next week.